Hey everyone, Yosukata sent me these stainless steel cooking instruments here. I appreciate them sending me this. This is a sponsored video. First of all, a heavy duty spatula. You could use this for flipping hamburgers if you're grilling or something, right? Up to 11 pounds that you could flip with this. You got an 11-pound hamburger or steak. That's going to be really big. They all have these little holes in the end of them where you can place them on hooks. This is a skimmer. So if you have something you need to strain, some noodles or something, and you want the grease or the liquid to fall through, a skimmer right here, kind of like a strainer on a big pole, right? All right. And then also a ladle for fluid, dipping out liquid, maybe some soup, something like that. 17 inches long these things are. So if you are looking for some heavy duty cooking utensils for cooking with a wok, for cooking maybe on a grill. Also in Louisiana where I live, people like to cook in these big cast iron pots, cooking like jambalaya and things like that. So this is going to be perfect for dipping in that big cast iron pot out on the back patio, scooping up jambalaya. This would be perfect, right? So from Yosukata, if you're looking for some utensils like this, these are pretty nice.